Okay, in this video, I wanted to cover using the TI-84 to calculate the mean, standard deviation, and other values given a data set. All right, so let's see. We have a data set here, and the question asks to find the mean and other values. So to do that, we want to put this data set into a list. And to do that in the TI-84, we want to access the stat function. So click on stat, edit to edit the list. Here, L1 is free, so I'm going to input this set of data in here. Okay, so I've got my data set inputted in here in L1. To calculate the mean and standard deviation and other values, you want to access the one var stat function for one variable statistics. So click stats, you want to go to calc, one var stats, and we stored our data in list one, so it's already there. Had it not been there, say this was blank, then there's a L1 right above the one here, so you want to click second one. The frequency list we're not going to use. Let's go to calculate, and there it is. So there's a lot of values that it gives us. X bar is a sample mean, or the mean. If this was a population, it would correspond to a population mean. We have S sub x, which is a sample standard deviation. We have sigma x, which is a population standard deviation. Depending on whether this data set is a sample or population, one of these is your standard deviation. You're also given other values. So for example, the minimum, quartile 1, the median, quartile 3, and the maximum. Okay, so some calculators don't have this, the view when the input view doesn't look like this. What you'll get when you go to stats in one var stats, you'll get a screen that looks something like this. Here, all you need to do is just type in uh, L1, meaning, again, to access the L1, you have to click second one. And that should put your list one there. And that's it. So if there are any questions, let me know.